lonesome, pissed off, who wants some? I'm fighting for my soul, God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back, I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, who wants some?
I see them long, hard times to come.
Alright, what's up, everybody? So, I'm angry. I'm not actually angry. I'm fucking pissed off. I wake up tonight to a bunch of notifications, YouTube, my email, shit like that, of more new comments on my Fat Bob review video. Now, the people watching this that know me, have talked to me, and y'all know I'm fucking opinionated. I speak my mind. I say whatever I want to say. I don't give a shit. But also, in the same aspect, I do give things a very fair shake. Like, I will give something a fair shot before I discount it or talk shit or anything like that. But the fucking comments on this fucking video, dude, it is ridiculous. I've got more thumbs down than I do thumbs ups, which is something new. You know, I've never seen that shit before, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm fine with that. But some of these fucking comments, it's like, you fucking snowflakes. Are people seriously not allowed to have an opinion about anything anymore without some snowflake fucking millennial Gen Z, what the fuck ever, getting their fucking feelings hurt? I mean, like, butt hurt bad. And you know, a lot of these comments I'm getting, I'm sure, from first time Harley riders or owners, first time bike riders, probably only been riding a year or two. They went out and bought a bike and it's the best thing in the fucking world and nobody can hate it. That's the way I see it. But some of these comments I see, you know, I know these people have been riding for a while and they can't even take my opinion at all. Like, it's wrong. I'm completely wrong. No, I'm not wrong. I'm right because it's my opinion. I'm right about my opinion. Y'all might love that fucking bike. I hate it. I think it's a pile of shit. Y'all might love it and think it's wonderful. That's good. That's good for you. But it's my opinion. I don't need all these negative fucking comments. Call me a clown? Fuck you. You're the clown, you fucking fuck. I don't know. It's just simply ridiculous to me that people cannot have an opinion at this day and age. I'm 43 years old. I've been on two wheels my whole life. I've ridden more bikes, ridden more miles than most people that I know. I guarantee you than most people that make the comments in that video. The guys that you really know that have ridden a lot or have owned a lot of bikes, that own that bike now, you scroll through the comments, you'll see their comments. They'll be like, oh yeah, you're exactly right. This bike is not great. It's not what it seems to be. You've got to change everything to make it rideable. It just simply ridiculous, the amount of hate I've got for this. I've got so much hate on there, I'm actually considering taking the video down just so I don't have to see it anymore. I used to be like, oh, fuck it, you know, haters are gonna hate, whatever, it doesn't bother me. I haven't gone through and counted all of them, but I'm seriously, I don't even know how many comments I've got on it. I haven't looked, but I'm guessing just today I went through and read a bunch of comments that I didn't even know I had. I bet there's 30 fucking hate comments on that thing. Just the ones I saw. I replied to a few. One guy actually went off on, and I really shouldn't have, because he was kind of in agreement with me, but he wanted more information from me, and I kind of went off on him, and I'm sorry, dude, you took the blunt of it, but I was pissed by that time. And by the way, I'm in my truck. I don't know how well this fucking video is going to turn out. I've got the camera on the fucking windshield. I actually ran the mic, so it's not using the real on-board audio. I took the mic out of my helmet and I hooked the fucking brake up, and the truck is just so loud now with the exhaust. I thought maybe this would quiet the exhaust down. Straight pipe life. I don't know. What's y'all's opinion? Should I just take the fucking video down? Just because I'm simply tired of seeing the comments? Should I turn the comments off? I feel like if it's up, the comments need to be on. I don't know. I'm tired of seeing them. Oh, we got a rider right here. I bet he's cold. It's 30. Truck says 38 degrees outside. Watch says it's 38. What you riding, buddy? You're riding old school with that tail light, I can tell. Oh no, SV650, never mind. I don't know what to do. Like I said, I'm pretty pissed about it. That looks like a cup. I better go ahead and just back her on down a little bit. No, that car's red, never mind. I mean, it's Sunday night, I'm on my way to work. I'm supposed to be in 2ATV's live stream right now, but instead I'm making a fucking video in my truck, pissed off, wondering what I should do. I mean, I just can't believe it. Y'all motherfuckers need to soften the fuck up, or I'm sorry, harden the fuck up, quit being such soft asses about somebody's opinion. And calling me a clown and shit, I'm telling you right now, I've been riding a long time. I've owned many bikes. My fucking opinion is very valid. If I don't like a bike, there's a reason why. I bet I've ridden over 500 motorcycles my whole entire life. Different styles, test rides, reviews, even away from YouTube, just growing up riding bikes. I've ridden a lot of bikes in my lifetime. 500 might be high, but I guarantee it's a couple hundred. I mean, the amount of bikes I've owned has been a shit ton. So my opinion is valid. My opinion of motorcycles would probably be one some people could take to heart. I mean, several people in those comments actually agree with me. Hey, you're right. I bought this bike and I shouldn't have. I bought this bike. I turned around and sold it immediately because it was a pile of shit. One guy agreed with me enough. The bike was junk. He ended up having to change out the handlebars, the exhaust, changed out the pegs, changed a bunch of shit on it just to make it rideable. And one dude commented, said something about, well, why are you doing over 100 miles an hour? Of course, it has speed wobble. Why are you doing over 100 miles an hour on public streets? Man, fuck you. If you owned a bike and ridden and you ain't never done over 100 on a public street, you're a fucking liar. Unless you own a bike that just can't do 100. But don't come at me with that bullshit either. Fucking idiot. I just can't believe some people I breathe the same fucking air as them. I really can't. Y'all motherfuckers need to harden the fuck up. Pull your fingers out of your asses. Leave your safe spots with your mommy hugs and shit like that. Live fucking life. I really hope this fucking works, because I ain't gonna redo this shit. This audio better be coming out. Anyways, like I said, to the people that know me, to people watching this, actually watching, nobody watches my fucking truck videos, you bunch of bitches. Let me know in the comments. Should I take the video down? What should I do? I'm tired of seeing the comments on it. I'm tired of seeing the bad fucking comments. It's fucking irritating. It's been up almost, I mean, probably 8 months, something like that, is when I did it. 8 months of fucking shitty comments on the same video. I'm done with it. I'm over it. I'm tired of it. So let me know what you guys think. Fuck, that coffee's hot. So this could have turned out to be a road rage video, but no! I got a bitch about some fucking comments on a fucking video that people are butthurt about. Cry baby motherfuckers. Ugh. And believe me, I'm being very nice right now. Like, if I say the shit that I would normally say to a person, like in person what I would say to them, I'd have to bleep stuff out because I get pretty fucking bad. I don't fuck around. One of those comments to that in that video, a dude called me a clown like 2 or 3 times in the video, told me I shouldn't be making videos, told me I sucked, everything sucked. And to that guy, honestly, if he was standing in front of me, I'd tell him to go kill himself. Because nobody cares, nobody likes you, nobody likes your opinion. So fuck off, stop breathing air. That's what I would say to that dude. Because I am very ruthless. Like I said, 99% of the time, I'll let shit go. It'll be like, whatever, it's just fucking haters hating. But, goddamn, man, y'all can't even let a dude have an opinion. Whatever. Oh, fuck, dude, he's already out there. You might as well go. I mean, go. Go. This kind of shit pisses me off. We're doing 30 and 20 and 35. Fucking piece of shit. Alright, so that's gonna do it. Probably gonna end up being a little bit longer when I really want to make this video. Probably have a little bit of editing, not too much though. Be pretty raw. Hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas. Hope everybody has a wonderful New Year's. Hopefully we don't have a 2020 part 2. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Sketchy. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. For God's sake, watch my fucking truck videos. They don't suck that much. The motherfuckers make videos in their trucks all the time. 100,000 fucking views. I ain't trying to get that, but shit, I want at least my regular 100 views. It's like 35 and shit. So anyways, I'm out of here. I'm just about to work. Like, share, comment, subscribe, yada yada yada. Dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.